Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic because it is fantastic. I think it's kind of like a massage heating pad. I mean, it's everything in one, I have to say. And there's a reason why I can say that this could be your next best friend in terms of like massaging, in terms of like heating, and in terms of like that relief that you need after a long day of work, after a long day of working out, or something like that. I don't like massages too much, and that's probably not a good way of starting this video, but this one I actually did like because it's super gentle. It's not something that's gonna go like a deep tissue or something like that. Those are the things that I don't like. This one has five different massages modes, has 10 vibration points that can act individually in each one of the parts of your body you need, or they can actually act all together if you also need. And it also comes with a heating power, which I think it is really good for when you're like relaxing, chilling, or just watching TV or something like that. I don't recommend using this one more than 20 minutes or half hour. I want to say everything comes explained right here in the instruction manuals. And of course, you're not going to have any issues to learning to use it with that remote pad over here. But now I'm just going to stop talking. I'm going to show you why I think that this one is so good. So a few things about this one. You can put it right here in horizontal mode if you need, or just all horizontal. Or you also have right here, you're going to find some pads and some straps that you're going to use it on a chair, like for example, an office chair or something like that. When you're done, you can just do this and fold it and put it back in kind of like to-go position and just like take it with you on the go. Once you're ready and it's plugged, you're going to actually do this. You're gonna start like putting some air inside of this pad over here, and when you're done, you just press this valve over here and just lose all the air. But I'm gonna keep doing this for a little bit, so I'm gonna stop this video and come back when it's done. So now that the lumbar area is all inflated, this is gonna be your remote. You have the power, you have the heat, and you have the intensity. You also have a program right here with 5 different programs, and you have the individual massaging points right here for your shoulders, your back, your waist, and your legs. I'm gonna turn it on right now. So I'm gonna power this. This is just, as I was just saying before, oh my God. I wish that, so I'm gonna change the mode right now. I'm gonna put it in 2. Oh my God. I'm gonna put it in 3, 4, and that one is coming from my legs, lumbar area, shoulders, and kind of like neck over here. Wow. Oh my God. This is, ooh, and this is all in one. All are vibrating at the same point. Oh, and this is not even with the heat on. With the heat on, it's even better. So remember, you can also put this one in a chair. You can fold it and take it with you on the go. It has the heat, it has the intensity levels, the lumbar support with the air over here. Oh my God, this is so good. And of course, the remote that I can reach around. I'm just gonna relax. This is fantastic.